Champions, welcome to our maths lesson for today. Today we'll complete lesson 20 of your grade 2 module 6 workbook. I can use rectangular arrays to investigate odd and even numbers. Can you? Let's teach you how to do that. First, let's skip count by twos. We're going to count by ones from 0 to 20. You can count it by whispering to yourself these numbers, but since you are watching this video, just count along with me. Let's count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. All right. Let us count only the even numbers now. Do you remember the even numbers? Let's start. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Fantastic job. The other numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 are called what? Odd numbers. You cannot share them into two equal parts. Now please complete your lesson 20 fluency practice. You have 120 seconds to compete against your personal best. See how many questions you solve correctly. Work with your partner. Make 2 rows of 3 and let your partner make 2 rows of 4. How many ties are in your own? 2 rows of 3. 6 ties. How many are in your partner's own? 2 rows of 4, 8 ties. Is your own 6 ties? Is it odd or even? Even. Your partner's 8 ties. Even. Now let us merge the two together. Both your ties and your partner's ties. That's what we have. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 rows of 7. Is that even or odd? Even. So 2 even numbers will give an even number. Yes. When you add an even number to another even number, you have an even number. Let's make another one. Make 2 rows of 5 and another 2 rows of 3. 2 rows of 5 is 10. 2 rows of 3 is 6. 10 plus 6, 16. You also have an even number. 2 rows of 4, 8. 2 rows of 8, 16. 8 plus 16 is 24. Even number. So when we add an even number to another even number, what we get is an even number, not odd number. All right, draw another array. Make 2 rows of 3. And let your partner make 2 rows of 3. Then add just 1 more tie on top. Add just 1 more tie to one of his rows. What will you have? Your own will be 2 rows of 3, 6 ties. Your partner's own is 2 rows of 3 plus 1 tie. That is 7. Let us merge it together and see if it is even or odd. Your own, as it is now, is even, 6 ties. Your partner's own, 7 ties, odd. Let us add the two together and see if we make even or odd number. What do you think we'll have? Say it out. Is it even or odd? Is it shared into 2 equal parts? No. What do we call this? Odd number. The same thing. When you add 2 rows of 5 plus 2 rows of 2 and add 1 more tie, you have an odd number. 2 rows of 3 plus one more tie, and then you add 2 rows of 6, you also have an odd number. So when you add an even number to an odd number, you are going to have an odd number. Here's another array to make. Make 2 rows of 3, and then add one more to the top row. So you have 2 rows of 3 plus 1, that's 7 ties. Your partner makes 2 rows of 4, then add one more tie to the top row. Let's say 2 rows of 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. What do you think you have? Look at how your ties looks like. Your own is odd because it's 7 ties. Your partner's own is odd because it is 9 ties. But let us slide them together. Let us join it together and see what we make. Are you ready? Do you think it will be even or odd? Even! So when we add an odd number to an odd number, we have an even number. Odd number plus odd number will give an even number. Alright? Look at what I just explained. Even plus even equals even. Even plus odd equals odd. Odd plus odd equals even. Alright, let's do these ones. 22 plus 4 equals 26. 22 is even, 4 is even, so our answer is even. 21 plus 25. 21 is odd, 5 is odd. When you add them, you have got 26. 26 is even. Odd plus odd equals even. But look at this. 22 plus 14, even, will give us even. Here's an application problem. Mrs. Bossa has 11 boys and 9 girls at a grade 2 party. Question. Write the equation to show the total number of people. Are the addends even or odd? Let us see. 11 is odd. 9 is odd. 11 plus 9 equals 20. So 11 plus 9 equals 20, the total number of people there. Is it odd or even? 20 can be shared into 2 equal parts, so it is even. Now Mrs. Boxer wants to pair everyone up for a game. Does she have the right number of people for everyone to have a partner? Yes! He has 2 groups of 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. It's even. Alright, so complete your lesson 20 problem set and bring your work to class for marking. Bye.